And we're back to learning Affinity in a year, day 59. Let me show you how I can create half pie charts. We'll start right here with the circle tool. Let me give that a different fill. And I held shift when I dragged it. That way width and height have the same value. So aspect ratio is 1:1. Now we convert it to a pie. And we'll start with a total angle of 360. That's a full circle. And therefore 180 will leave us with a half pie chart. Just set the start angle to 0. And our end angle for the full chart should be 180. So the segments need to be between 0 and 180. Let me create the first one at 30. Then I press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. You can also right click and use copy paste. I recolor the second segment here, and now I start at the end angle of the first, which was 30, and then let me go to maybe like 75 degrees. And as I've said, you can use right click, copy paste, or the short keys Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Recolor it again. 75 is now the end, therefore this needs to be our start for the third segment. Let me go to 120. Once more, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, recolor. We'll start at 120. Let me go to, let's say 160. And we add one more segment using Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And here, as I've said, we need to end at 180. And then we have this half pie chart created in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.